So, have you ever thought about these cells could adapt like a superhero? So, let's dive into a cellular adaptation, which is in a USMLE Step 1 style. Welcome to the another episode of USMLE High Yield Bites. Today we are tackling cellular adaptations. Those reversible changes your body pulls off, whether it's a normal stuff or a red flag. It's high yield for step 1. So let's dive into the next slide and the details moving on. So now back to our cell champs. These adaptations are all about reversible moves. So let's break it down in quick. They can be normal, like the uterus growing during pregnancy, or a heads up, like a myocardial hypertrophy from hypertension, which is pretty neat. Here's the catch. If stress gets too crazy or sticks around, it can turn into an injury, like left ventricular hypertrophy leading to the heart failure. Uh, for the USMLE tip, think of the adaptations as the body coping mechanism, but injury means it's starting to give up. So, liking it so far? Here we go for the next slide. Okay, so now let's move our focus to hypertrophy versus hyperplasia. The hypertrophy is about making cells bigger, which means more proteins, like the cardiac hypertrophy in hypertension. It is just no new cells, it is just the pumped up ones. Hyperplasia, though, is about more cells, like stem cells multiplying into benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. But watch out, the pathological endometrial hyperplasia can head towards the cancer. So the quick note here would be a hypertrophy is increase in size, and hyperplasia is the increase in number. They can even happen together, like in the pregnancy, which is a high yield stuff. And that is your today dose for the high yield bite. Subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.